What's up guys, Trader Neil here, back at you with another crypto video. So today we're going to be looking at the top 3 altcoins that I'm looking to pick up going into quarter 4. Today is October 1st guys, it's the first day of the new quarter, and quarter 4 in crypto is traditionally bullish, especially in bull run times. And so we're going to be looking at these altcoins today. We're going to be seeing if we can scout some entries and go from there. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel at Trader Neil, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. I really appreciate it guys. On my Solana video the other day, we finally hit 1,000 views for the first time on this channel. Can't thank you guys enough for that. And you know, maybe we can do the same for this video. We'll see. But seriously guys, can't thank you guys enough, and let's keep at it. So we're just gonna jump right in with the first altcoin pick guys. It is not Solana here, but in general Solana doesn't look too bad. If I were to just speak a little bit about it, I will tell you guys I am looking for this 162 resistance to be flipped into support, and then you can be looking for higher prices. Until that happens though, I would honestly not be surprised if we did get a pullback all the way to around 140, so just keep that in mind. All right guys, so for my first altcoin pick that I am interested in, it's going to be DIM here. And so DIM is an altcoin that we did look at on this channel a couple weeks ago, and it was sitting around here at the 1.2 level, and we did get a nice move up since then. Really, it was about 80%. Just as you guys can see, this altcoin just in general does have a lot of potential. Back at its highs over here in February guys, I mean, if it did make its way back to those levels, I mean, that's a 358% move. It would be pretty insane. And so looking at things now, I think it would be a nice time to start looking to accumulate this coin on dips, especially because, as you guys can see, you have more of an accumulation structure here. You have more of a rounded bottom, as you guys can see from a market structure point of view. These lower lows are starting to change into higher lows here on the daily chart. As you guys can see, you've got higher lows, and you finally put in your first higher high on the daily. As you can see, every one of these highs has been a lower high, except for this high right here was a higher high compared to your lows at the end of August. And so looking at things now, it is possible that DIM goes ahead and just runs from here. However, I think looking at the overall picture of the market, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a pullback on BTC, and that could potentially bring altcoins down with it. And so if we did get that pullback on Bitcoin, then coming down to these levels here at the golden pocket in this daily bullish order block, in my opinion, that'd be where I'm looking to pick up some DIM. All right guys, so next altcoin pick that I'm looking at is WHIFF coin. And so if you guys are in Unity or any of my Discord servers that I am an analyst in, this is a coin that I gave to you guys all the way down here around 1.7 back at the end of September. And so since those buys, WHIFF has gone up already 50%. And so we are sitting pretty in those servers. I just want to let you guys know though that WHIFF at the moment is undergoing a supply line break here. You've got multiple daily closes above that level, so I wouldn't be surprised at this point for WHIFF to head up to these highs from the end of July. Do I think that we end up just busting on through there and continuing to the upside? It's possible, but after this extended run up, I would not be surprised to see things cool down a little bit. In my opinion, I think we could have a move up to those highs at 2.8, but then I would be expecting something like this to play out, get the RSI reset here at the 50 level, put in a potential higher low at support, and then push back to the upside. Of course, this is a perfect world, a perfect scenario. You know, that support resistance level that I've drawn for it to come hit, that would be pretty easy, and it would be a pretty easy buy. Do I think it's going to happen? Probably not to this exact to this scenario, but if it does start coming down guys to at least, you know, the 2.1 to this level here at $2, I would buy a little bit around this zone here. All right, so On a pullback, WHIFF, in my opinion, would be a coin that I would be looking to pick up. And the last altcoin pick that I want to talk to you guys about is one that has been extremely strong over the last couple months, and that one is POPCAT here. The POPCAT daily chart is one of the best charts in crypto right now, guys. You have continuous higher lows throughout the entirety of this chart and pretty much daily higher highs that whole way. That's why I've drawn this parallel channel here. Looking at this chart, guys, I mean, until these higher lows break, until these higher highs start to break, until you start to see a change in trend here, in my opinion, the easiest trade is to just follow the trend and expect at this point higher prices. And so do I think that POPCAT has the potential to come up and tap the top of this channel pretty soon? I think it's possible. That would be another 25% up from here. Would I recommend and would I personally buy at these current levels? Probably not. If we got a pullback though to the lower probably like 80 cents to 72-cent levels that I've drawn here on the chart, that would be an area that I am looking to pick up on a pullback, especially if you get that soon. The RSI could get a nice pullback to that 50 level, get a reset, and then have things start launching from there once again. But those are the top 3 altcoin picks that I had for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for sticking around. I got one thing for you guys before you go. In the comment section below, you tell me, are you an iced coffee drinker or a hot coffee drinker? Tell me below. If it's not coffee, hot or iced drinks, either one. All right, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. This is Trader Neil signing out, and I'll catch you guys soon for the next one. Peace.